Make a great choice today with the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.